Today's lesson is about sorting animals. We are going to look at different pictures of mountain or forest animals, farm animals, and zoo animals. So as we look at these pictures today, I want you to think about them. The first thing we need to talk about, though, is what sorting means. Sorting means to place into groups items that have something the same. Look at these 5 rocks. They are placed into 2 groups, 3 that are shiny and 2 that are dull or not shiny looking. So they have their groups of what they have the same. So here are our 12 pictures, and we're going to look at them a couple times today. And I want you to think, how could we sort them into groups? What do they have that is the same, or what do they have that is different from each other? We could sort them by where they live. Do they live in the forest or mountains? Do they live on the farm? Do they live in the zoo? They all are animals, but they do live in different places. Now, we're going to look at these animals one more time here and think, how else could we sort them? What do they have that is the same or different from each other? What could we use? We could sort them by the type of body covering. Do they have fur? Do they have feathers? Do they have scales? What could they be? Well, here we can look at our groups and see which group would be the largest and which one's the smallest. All right, here are our 12 animals again. I want you to think, what else could we do to sort them? What do they have that is something the same or something that is different that we can group them into? We've talked about where they live. We talk about what's on their body. What else could we use? We can sort them by their number of legs. Do they have 4 legs? Do they have 2 legs? Or do they have 6 legs? I wonder again, which group would have more and which group has less? Would there be a group that could have more legs? Not of the pictures we have today, but maybe. All right, here are these 12 pictures again. How else could we sort them? I'm going to have you think here, what could we do to sort them? And we're going to make a list of different ways we can sort them. And then we're going to take our copies of these pictures and practice sorting them. So I want you to think, what could we do to put them into groups? How could we sort them?